Hello guys, welcome back to the daily forex. But first of all, I want to thank you guys for making me reach 11 subscribers. Okay, I love you all and more wins to you guys. Okay, so guys, in this video I'm gonna give you a very good strategy. You're gonna love this strategy. Okay, in this video I'm gonna give you two strategy that you're gonna like. Okay, so the first strategy is for small accounts and the second strategy is for small and big accounts. Okay, so now guys, here is how it goes. So if you have a small account for about $3, okay, in your small account, you can grow this with this strategy that I'm about to show you guys right now. Okay, so in this strategy we're going to be using crash 1000 index, okay, to grow our small account. Okay, you can see now I'm going to check the market chart by going this right here. You zoom it to the first zoom level. Okay, so this strategy I want to show you guys how this strategy work. So first of all, what you want to do is to go to your indicators. Okay, you choose on average true range, guys, average true range. Okay, you go to average true range, you set it to default, you put the period on period 14. Okay, then you set the levels to 2. Okay, 2 levels. This strategy, 2 levels, the style 1 pixel, the color to blue. Okay, you set the color to blue, then you click on done right here, as you see. Then you see for this style right here, you set it to red. Okay, to red, as you can see, or brownish color. Then you click on done. Now as you can see guys, so this is strategy I want to show you guys. Now this strategy, you take profit after one candle for this small accounts. Okay, you take profit after one candle. Right now, this is what I've noticed when trading on crash 1000 index. Each of these candlesticks are not the same size, and you might be wondering why I'm saying take one candle then take your profit after one candle, right? So 0.2 lot size will give you 8 cents on a trade of $3.45. Okay, now if you add another 0.10, it will be 0.30. That will result in 0.16 cents. Okay, for that particular trade. I hope you understand what I'm saying, guys. But to be safe, we close position at 0.4 cents. Okay, so guys, for 0.20 lot size, now here's why I said that you close position at 4 cents for a lot size of 0.20. okay, now here's why I said so. It's because even if we can wait for a complete candle tick which will give us about 8 cents in 0.20 lot size, that trade can crash at any period in time. Okay, that trade can crash at any period in time. Please know that, guys. So when the candle is fully complete or not, we close. Okay, when the candle is fully complete or not, we close at 0.4 cent. Okay, and we'll take our profit, guys. We close at 0.4 cent and we'll close our profit. All right, so you don't trade more than that. You close the trade after you're taking a profit of 0.4 cent, guys. Okay, so I hope you guys understand what I'm saying, so please listen carefully, guys. So now if you set a lot size to 0.30, okay, we'll close at 0.8 cents. Okay, we'll close at 0.8 cents. Now this is why, guys, if you add 10 to 20, it should be 30, right? If you add 1 to 2, it's going to give us 3 lot size. Okay, and we'll close at 8 cents because you add 4 plus 4, which is will give us another 8 cents. Okay, it will give us another 8 cents, guys. Please listen carefully. Okay, now if you add another 10 to the 30, right? If you add another 10 to 30, it should be 40, right? And if you add 4 to 8, it's going to give us 12 cents, right? It's going to give us 12 cents, right? And we took profit at 0.4 for a lot size of 0.2. okay, now guys, so we're gonna take 0.8 cents at 0.30. so guys, this thing is just a numbers, right? It's just a numbers. What you have to do is calculate the numbers and this strategy that I'm showing you guys right now. Okay, all you need to do is calculate the numbers and you make more of your profit. Okay, If you continue to trade like this as I have calculated, you will make more profit, guys. Now take a look at this. Right now, as you can see, this is the strategy that I've implemented, and you can see this is a live trade account. This is a live trade account to show you guys this strategy that it works. As you can see right now, you can see that this strategy is really working, as you can see, and you can count more of your profits than your losses. So guys, this strategy is a very easy strategy for a small account. So I don't know if you know this strategy already or if you have implemented this strategy, but this is a strategy that I've implemented. As you can see, this is my account right now, and this strategy is working fine, as you can see. Okay, now remember what I said, you take profit at 0.4 cent. Okay, that's when you're going to take your profit. Now here's why I said so. Okay, if you look at the charts right here, I said each of these candles are not the same size. Now they might look at the same size, but they are not the same size, and this is very tricky. Okay, now you might want to say, okay, why didn't I just wait for a full candle to be fully created before I take profit, right? But here's the thing, if you decide to wait for a full candle, you don't know if the next candle might crash, right? You don't know if the next candle might crash immediately. Okay, that's why I said you should take a profit at 0.10 cents and grow your small account. Okay, so it's a win-win. If it's trade, you can see everything here is a win, it's a win, and it's a win. And if you see, guys, with this strategy, it's going to take you time, right? It's going to take you a little amount of time for you to grow it, right? But it's not going to be a full day. It's not going to take you a full day for you to be able to grow this account with a small balance, right? It's not going to take you a full day to grow this account, but it's going to take you a little time for you, for you to be counting each candle ticks. You're going to be counting each candle ticks, and you're going to be closing profit after each candle ticks, so that you'll be at a very good safer side, okay, on this strategy on crash 1000 index. Okay, and now the second strategy I'm going to share you guys is you leave your indicators the same way as I've set mine, right? We're going to be using the same indicators as it is right here. We're going to be using the average true range, the period to 14, the level 2, and the style 1 pixel, and the color should be this is name color, just as we have said. Okay, so guys, you let this you see this line right here, you see this line. Okay, when it's about to curve right here, there was a spike, right? You set the zoom level first of all to the first zoom level, right? This is the second one, this is the first one, the second, third. You see, we set it to the first zoom level. Then you can see right here, when this line is about to curve, there was a spike, right? So now this strategy, you take just 4 candles. You take just 4 candles, guys. This strategy, this second strategy that I'm telling you now, you take just 4 candles. Remember, I said at the beginning of this video, I'm going to be sharing 2 strategy, one for small accounts and the second one for both small accounts and big accounts, right? So this second strategy, guys, when the line crosses this blue line and it gets to number 2, this number 2 right here, you take only 4 candles. After 4 candles, you take your profit. After 4 candles, you take a profit. Okay, let's zoom and see what I'm talking about. Now you can see this line here is 2, right? Now look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4 candles, take profits. There was a crash. The minimum right here is 4 candles. Okay, 4 candles, you take your profits. Then you wait again. You wait. Do not say, okay, I want to leave the trade, so maybe if we spike from here. No, guys, no, that's not how it work. That is not how it work. Don't do that, guys. Don't do that. You wait. Okay, you wait for the next line. Okay, you wait for the next line, and with this strategy you don't use it for a very smaller account. You set your load size to 5, okay, so that you'll be able to count the profit, right? You can see, guys, with this strategy there's money in this strategy, guys. There's money and there's win in this strategy. So I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, in my next video I'm going to be telling you guys more about this second strategy that I'm showing you guys right now. I'm going to be telling you more on this second strategy. Okay, so if you like this video and you enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and see you guys in the next one.